In the bustling world of factory maintenance, meet John, a dedicated maintenance engineer. His day is often consumed by endless paperwork, countless emails, and unpredictable machine breakdowns. But what if there was a smarter way? Introducing SmartMaint, the AI-powered maintenance system revolutionizing factory operations. Imagine a world where your maintenance schedule is automatically generated, tailored precisely to your factory's needs. With SmartMaint, preventive maintenance becomes a reality, stopping breakdowns before they happen. Engineers like John can now use simple voice commands to submit feedback instantly, no more tedious paperwork or manual entries. SmartMaint takes it a step further by interpreting feedback, creating corrective work orders, and checking material availability in real time. This means less downtime and more time for engineers to focus on what truly matters. Once everything is set, SmartMaint sends automated approvals for materials, ensuring a seamless workflow. The result? A maintenance process that's smarter, faster, and completely paper-free. Engineers are more efficient, and factories experience less downtime. The future of factory maintenance is here, and it's powered by SmartMaint. Visit www.smartmaint.net to learn more and transform your factory's maintenance today.